Welcome to Tutorak Kids!
Hi guys! Today I am drawing a shark. Have a look at his fins. And his big tail. It helps him swim really fast. Wow, check out his big, sharp teeth. Scary. It's time to color the shark. Let's use the gray color. And let's use this light shade of orange color. Perfect! Our shark is ready.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.